Hello and welcome to this video about how to make money in 15 minutes or less. Many of us in today's fast-paced world seek quick and easy methods to generate additional cash. While there are many frauds and get-rich-quick schemes out there, reputable websites also offer ways to earn money in only a few minutes every day. In this video, we'll go through numerous websites that can help you earn money in as little as 15 minutes. Whether you want to make a little more money in your spare time or transform your abilities into a source of income, there's certainly a website on our list that can help. Continue watching when you're prepared to earn dollars within only 15 minutes a day. We'll give you some helpful pointers and methods to get you going. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. Number 1. Get your way around paid surveys. Paid surveys are an excellent method to make some additional money online. Businesses and organizations constantly ask for comments on their goods, services, and advertising initiatives, and they are prepared to pay for them. In a paid survey, you generally complete questions on a specific topic or item in exchange for a little reward. Paid surveys have the advantage of being quick and straightforward to complete. Throughout many situations, you can finish a questionnaire in a matter of minutes, which makes them a great way to earn income during your lunchtime or while standing in line. Paid survey sites often have a selection of surveys to choose from, allowing you to pick and choose the ones you wish to complete. Several websites provide paid surveys. These are usually short surveys that may be completed within minutes. Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Bindle Research are among the prominent survey websites. Before you join a survey site, research to ensure it's reputable and that other users have had a pleasant experience with it. Number 2. Use freelancing websites as your getaway. Individuals can use freelancing websites to offer their skills to clients from all over the world. Suppose you have a particular talent or a specialty, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual help. In that case, you may set up a profile on a freelancing website and begin bidding on client-posted assignments. One of the advantages of freelancing websites is that they provide a great deal of freedom. You may work on projects that interest you from anywhere in the globe as long as you have an internet connection. Furthermore, freelancing websites might be an excellent solution if you want to construct a portfolio or obtain more professional expertise. Freelancing websites often charge a commission on a completed assignment. However, the amount varies depending on the website. Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are some notable freelancing websites. Each website has its regulations and standards, so do your homework and select a website that is a good fit for you. To begin freelancing, you must develop a profile highlighting your talents and expertise. After that, you may start bidding on tasks that match your experience. It's crucial to remember that freelancing may be competitive, so make sure your bids are competitive and your profile stands out. Overall, freelancing websites can be a great way to earn money while gaining experience in building your portfolio. If you're skilled in a particular area and looking for more flexibility in your work, freelancing may be a good option. Number 3. Test your testing skills. If you're adept at finding errors, you can join a website like User Testing. This website compensates you for testing websites and providing comments on your experience. Tests typically last around 15 minutes, and you can get paid roughly $10 for each test. User Testing is a platform that links website and app developers with consumers who may test and offer feedback on their products. You will be asked to complete a series of activities on a website or app while recording your screen and providing feedback on your experience as a user tester. In exchange for your time, you will be given a small pay for each exam you pass. One exam of user testing is that testing is typically quick and straightforward. You'll often be requested to work in 10 to 20 minutes or less, making it an excellent way to make income on your lunch hour or any leisure time. Furthermore, user testing offers more than other websites that provide paid surveys or micro tasks. To qualify as a user tester user analyst, you must pass a qualifying exam demonstrating your capability to give high-quality input. After you've been approved for testing, you'll be alerted whenever a test that fits your profile becomes available. Because you will only have a short amount of time to finish the exam and offer comments, you must be responsive and timely. Additionally, you'll need to be comfortable speaking aloud and providing feedback on your experience, as this is an integral part of the testing process. Overall, user testing is a great option for earning extra cash while providing valuable feedback to websites and app developers. If you're comfortable speaking aloud and giving feedback on your experience, user testing may be a good fit for you. Number 4. Teach others on your journey to learn. Creating a course may be an excellent way to share your knowledge while earning money online. If you are enthusiastic about a specific skill or area of study, producing a course can allow you to share that knowledge with others while also generating a profit. To build a course, you must first select a topic about which you are competent and has an audience. Keyword research and market analysis may assist you in identifying themes that are in demand and in which you can deliver value. After you decide on a topic, you'll need to build a course online and decide on a structure. You may design a video course, a text-based course, or a hybrid of the two. It is critical to examine the demands of your target audience and select an appealing and easy-to-follow structure. The course material, which may include presentations, videos, text, and quizzes, must next be created. You may also offer extra resources, such as worksheets or templates, to assist your pupils in putting what they've learned into practice. After you generate your course material, you'll need to select a platform to host it. Several systems allow you to develop and sell your course, such as Udemy and Teachable. Each platform has features and price choices, so do your homework and select a suitable form. You'll need to advertise your course to your target audience using social media, email marketing, and other methods once it's online. You may also provide a free trial or a discount to get students to enroll. Making a course takes work, but it can also be rewarding to share your expertise and make money online. Developing a course might be an excellent alternative if you are enthusiastic about a particular subject and have the knowledge to offer. While creating the course may take longer than 15 minutes, once it's up and running, you may generate money for years to come. Number 5. Small task for big amount. ClickWorker is a service that provides online microtasks to people all over the world. Examples of these duties are online research, data input, writing, translation, and other minor online chores. ClickWorker is a flexible and handy method to earn money in your spare time, with jobs that are often quick and simple to complete. To begin using ClickWorker, you must first establish a profile and complete a series of examinations to identify your talents and appropriateness for various assignments. After you've been accepted as a ClickWorker, you can start viewing available tasks and selecting those that fit your abilities and interests. Because the projects are often quick to finish, you can make a reasonable hourly rate if you do numerous tasks in a short period. One of the benefits of ClickWorker is that it's available to workers worldwide, and you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. There you have it, various websites that may assist you in earning money in as little as 15 minutes. Paid survey sites, freelance websites, user testing sites, and online course platforms are among the websites we discussed. These strategies demand some effort and devotion, but with a little effort, you may start making money in as little as a few minutes daily. Furthermore, be wary and avoid websites offering exaggerated claims or needing you to pay money up front. Finally, the key to achieving success with all these tools is to pick an approach that works for you and stick with it. You may start making money quickly if you are ready to spend the time and energy. So why not give it a go and see how much money you can make in 15 minutes a day? Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy watching similar videos, we welcome any recommendations in the comments section. Take care, and we will see you in our next video. Godspeed.